All right, welcome back to beginning beekeeping in Texas. So, let's show you when I get up here, but I've got my traveling suit on, which is basically just my gloves, like a Australian outback hat, and a Hawaiian shirt and some jeans. But I always have my PPE on, personal protection equipment, because you never know when they're going to be angry. Hopefully you're seeing this okay. Okay, I'll fix it. So, this is what they've done. They basically abandoned this side. Okay, well, we'll be at 1 minute. They were on both sides here. You can see they're very gentle. I mean, she just kind of attacked me a little bit, but she didn't sting. She's just checking me out, making sure I'm not a threat. I'm almost positive these are my bees, because I have not seen bees this gentle in Texas wild ever. So you really want to try not to bang them around. You can see I got a pollen patty here, and I put some pollen on it so that they can start getting a little bit of brood. They don't have any brood right now. They didn't have any in the hive they were in, which was Danielle's property. So they're starting to festoon here. So you can see them. The queen was on this frame. I think they've just made that in the past couple days. Good job. Oh, we'll go get them. I can't look. I can't look this very second. Show me when I come in, okay? Yeah. So they've made this piece of comb. This was empty. Why you weren't using it? Can we talk about this in a minute, please?
Oh, please.
Yeah, you better leave, okay? They might sting you. I don't want them to sting you. Okay. So they've made a pretty flimsy comb in here, you can see. And then that comb they made since I picked them up. Let's see if we can find the queen. I found her on this frame just a few minutes ago. Went to get the camera and she's gone. You just have to be really careful putting them back. Okay, well, sometimes the bees die.
Daddy, our tomato plants are dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the plants went in outside too long, right, Daddy?
No, because it was winter and they died.
Yeah, that's how does plants die? Of its winter?
See, this is the
Then
pieces you saw me put on.
the plants die.
They're just kind of starting to get over here. It looks like they want to build comb first. So with these, you really have to be careful. Just flicked her onto me. That was good. You really have to be careful not to
Daddy,
twist them, turn them.
I see a dead bug on all those things
Okay,
that they killed.
Okay, can you go inside now? I don't want you to get stung.
I'm not by the bee.
But they will sting you over there too. This 6-frame nuke's a little tight, so you gotta kind of push the frames in a little bit, and it kind of rattles them so that you could hear them kind of start buzzing. I'm gonna remove one of these frames. It was not exactly warm today, but they don't have brood, so that's kind of a saving grace, because you really only have to worry about warmth so much when they have brood, because it will kill the brood if they're out and even like 70 degrees. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Man, this is so tight. All right, there we go. So here's the frame of honey I gave them. They are eating it, which is good. I haven't gotten any stings from this hive. Knock on wood, right? Well, I saw the queen, so they're good. It's probably another reason why they're so calm, because they have a queen. She was kind of a reddish brown. She looked like she hadn't laid in a little while. Pretty, you know, not queenly, you know, just kind of stubby a little bit. There's a whole bunch of bees on that edge. See if she's lurking in here. Bees don't mind being touched. They just don't like being smushed, as you would think. All right, well, it's starting to cool down quite a bit, so we're gonna put these girls back. But I just wanted to show you what they're probably gonna do. They probably will huddle onto one side. Just gotta find which side that is. Get them. They'll choose a side, basically. From what I've seen in rescue hives. So I think we're gonna, and they're all moving at once. I wonder if the queen's on the move. Because they're all kind of roaming around. If they're building comb, I try to keep those frames together as much as possible. And this is a good comb, lots of honey, so we'll put that back in. Try to put it in as level as possible. It's a bee under the frame, so we gotta let her move a little bit. Because if you crush one, they set off the alarm pheromone, and then it's all bets are off. So we're going to put that there. Move this out a little bit. Appears to be a little bit of a scrum going on over here. Okay, so this is actually propolis trap, but I put this in these because They will sit in the top and they will not come down, and they will not build comb, and they will not warm the queen. If there's a way for them to go up, they will go up. So you want to always not let them go up if possible. Unless you want them to go up, and then they will. You can go back in my other videos and see what they're doing. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.